How to add money to Discover debit card. I am going to show you how you can add money to Discover debit card. The first method is online transfer. You can do internal. If you have multiple eligible accounts at Discover, you can complete an online transfer between accounts. Just log in via the app or online banking portal and follow the simple prompts to make a transfer. You can do external. No minimum opening deposit is required to open a Discover cashback debit or online savings account. With instant verification, you just need to provide details about your external account. These include your name, the account number, and the ABA routing number. With that information, Discover should be able to verify your account and transfer the funds. A smartphone and a paper check are all you need to make a mobile check deposit. First, you will download the Discover mobile app and register for access to online banking. Once signed in, you can complete a mobile check deposit by following the prompts. If you want to fund your new checking, savings, or money market account through direct deposit, you may be able to automatically enroll your Discover bank account with the Discover Online or in the app. You may also be able to sign up directly through your employer or other payers, such as Social Security. Once you're set up, please allow up to 2 pay cycles for your first deposit to appear in your account. If you would like to fund your new checking or money market account with cash, you will need to wait for your debit card to arrive, usually up to 10 business days from account opening. With your new contactless debit card and a minimum of $20 in hand, head to your nearest US-based Walmart and ask a cashier to add cash directly to your account. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.